this video, you will learn about the full plane mode of the Coordinate Grapher tool. You can use the full plane mode to plot points, lines, and inequalities in the coordinate plane. To plot a point on the graph, click on the Point button and then click on the coordinate plane where you want to place the point. As long as the Point button is enabled, clicking on the coordinate plane will add points to it. When you are done adding points to the coordinate plane, click on the Point button again to disable it. Note that a maximum of 9 points can be plotted on the graph. You can remove a point by clicking the Erase button and then clicking on the point you want to remove. Click on the Erase button again to disable the Erase feature. If you want to undo your changes, click the Undo button. If you want to redo the changes, click the Redo button. You can show the coordinates of a point by clicking on the point and selecting the Show Coordinates option. If you want to show the coordinates of just this point, click the X button to exit the menu. If you want to show the coordinates of all the points on the graph, select the Apply to All Points button. You can adjust the location of a point by dragging it. To hide the coordinates, click on a point and deselect the Show Coordinates checkbox. Click on Apply to All Points to hide the coordinates of all the points on the graph. To graph a line, first click on the Line button. Then click down on the coordinate plane and drag in the direction that you want to draw the line. A line will appear with 2 reference points attached to it. You can drag the reference points to the locations you want. Notice that the line has a label showing its name. When you are done graphing lines, make sure to click on the Line button again to disable it. Note that a maximum of 5 lines can be drawn on the graph. To check the location of the line's reference points, click on the line and select the Show Coordinates option. To examine the slope of the line, click on the line and select the Show Rise and Run option. Notice that the Rise and Run lines appear. While the Show Rise and Run option is selected, the slope of the line becomes fixed, so that dragging either reference point will move the point along the line. You can also move the line itself by dragging it. To hide the Rise and Run lines, deselect the Show Rise and Run option.